This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of specialty work-related tools, biggest selection, and best pricing, when you need to upgrade your tools, think Value Testers. Create a free login for best pricing. Link in description below.
He put this one down below, into there. You got the wire disconnected here too, on this one.
Amazing.
So let me put it back together, because you know if anything ever does happen, I mean this thing's gonna get all wet.
Yeah.
That's ultraviolet.
That's
110.
Happened here too.
Yeah. All right. Well, let me put this back together on this side. Unbelievable. You know, you should have that hooked up, right?
Yeah, I never knew that. So you want me to turn this unit on?
This just shuts the outside unit off, is all it does.
Okay. Well, that seemed to be working. I checked this morning and the outside unit was off. And this system is working. It's making cold air.
All right, well, let's turn this one on and we'll check it. Okay?
So there's no way that we could call anyone to try to dry out that ceiling so we don't get mold. There's no way to access it.
No, just leave it alone.
Right.
I would just leave it alone, let it dry out naturally, you know?
Keep the AC on a little bit to keep it dry.
Yeah, well, you're gonna leave that. You're not gonna shut your AC off anyway. I doubt that. That ain't happening anytime soon, right? I just think so.
Forever.
All right, where's the unit? Outside here? Can you see it?
No, this one, oh yeah, this one is outside the kitchen.
Right.
It's outside the
You
kitchen.
can go right out this door here.
Oh,
Hey, I love you, Justin.
all right. Tell him to go lift that float up. All right, that float's working.
Okay, it's on.
Yeah, it was working. Nice and clean. I mean, they're nice and clean. It's good. Yeah, they're nice and clean, the units.
Oh, good.
That's good. All right, guys, this one's in the basement. He's got no easy trap, so I'm gonna put one right there. I did block the holes that were open on this one. And we'll show you how to wire. I'm just gonna interrupt the yellow wire that goes out to the condenser. So if it does back up, it will shut the condenser off outside. This one's in the basement. The other two are up on the second floor. He's got another one that's in a crawl space over there. He said he's not too concerned about that one, but this one he is, because could flood the floor here. So let me see what I can do. I got the easy trap, and I got a female adapter and a piece of pipe. I might have to put an elbow. Might have to put an elbow on there. That's what I think I want to do, get an elbow. This is going to be too long coming out straight, so maybe this with a street elbow. I'm going to stick the trap right in there. You got all kinds of filters here, which I like to see. The filter's fine. Changed all the filters recently. I got the female in there. I got a street elbow. I'll probably come out, turn it, and have the unit right here. That's what they call a street elbow. I'll have this in there like that. Boom. And that'll give us room to get the filter out. I did tighten that up already. It's tight. Cleaner. And the glue. Glue's a little bit on the thick side here. I'm gonna need to get some new stuff, looks like. New glue. Could probably stick the stuff together dry. It probably wouldn't even leak. But that was good to go with. So here, if this one backs up, that float will come on, lift up, and shut the unit off. This one's only a 2-wire. Notice it'll say top. The top wants to go on the top like that. That's how it's supposed to go. Yeah. You could tell if it's up. Oh, that should work right there. So it should be closed right now. Okay. We'll flip this upside down like so. And it should be open now. Yeah. So I know that's working. When it's down. When there's no water in it, okay, it's gonna have voltage go through it. I gotta take this panel off and I'll snake it in with the low voltage lines, and I'll show you where I'm gonna tie it in.
Of course, our favorite thing
All
is the frap, you know, the official real ice cream frap.
All right, so I just broke the yellow wire out to the condenser. That's the condenser line. So we'll get this all buckled back up, and
you want me to go out and...
No, it's going to work because I tested it with my meter. So if this thing does back up with water, it's going to lift that float and shut the outside unit off. And this way here, it won't flood. And you call for service and we, find out what the problem is. And
oh, I see. I remember that was a stub line there. There was nothing
yeah, so
there.
I just put a little street elbow and I put this piece in. So you could, if you wanted to check it, you could lift up and look in there. If there's water in there, you know that's what your problem is.
Yeah, okay.
Pretty simple.
Very good.
And get this thing buckled back up and buttoned back up, and we'll be good. Water. All right, so we got that. So easy trap on condensate pan. There's the date. Tape on there, and we got the trap. We tested it, so we know it works. So you should be fine.
Well, excellent. Thank you.
First company unit. I mean, they're good units.